how to upgrade your Figma account. To do this, we have to go to our Teams section here on the left-hand side. And I'm just going to click on the one I'm using now. And here it says free next to it because I'm using a free plan for now. So when I click on that, you will get this message here. You've reached your project limit. It's 1 out of 1. That means I can have only one team project. So if I want to upgrade to a higher version to get more projects like this so I can use them, I can go here to upgrade to paid plan. Just click on this blue text. And here you can see the different paid subscriptions. In this case, mine is the starter pack. It's free, as you can see, for trying things out. And here it says this is my current plan, although it's not much of a plan because I'm not paying anything in the moment because that's the free version. And as you can see, my usage limit is 3 files, 3 pages in one project, and the version history is only 30 days. So if I want to upgrade, I can go with the professional one, which is €12 a month, or and so on. This is the professional one. I get unlimited files, pages, and projects. And the libraries, I can use the team-wide library, or I can upgrade to the organization, which is €45 per month. And both of them have dev mode included. I forgot to mention. But the organization gives you the org-wide libraries and again unlimited files, pages, and projects. So just you can choose between one of the two. And that's how you upgrade your Figma account. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.